Hey guys, this is Gerald and thank you for tuning into my channel. Where today I'll be sharing with you how to make money by just clicking on buttons and you're actually getting paid on PayPal. Alright, now before I get on into the further details, if you have not hit the subscribe button, you want to do that, hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so that every time when I upload videos every day, you actually get a notification. So now let's move on to how do you actually make money by clicking on buttons. Right. The website that I want to, the platform that I want to introduce you today is called Rapid Workers. Now, Rapid Workers allows you to earn some extra money in your full-time job, in your part-time job, okay? And what they actually do is at Rapid Workers, they give you a task to be completed and it be fast. And these projects are very low cost. The employees are fulfilled, workers are happy and compensated promptly. Okay. Now, most of all, it simply works. Okay. Now, you can see from here, what basically Rapid Workers is asking you to do will be something very, very simple. You know, the available task is like, for example, YouTube vote for this video and you actually get paid 10 cents. And the time it requires for you to do that is just a minute, you know. It can be available tasks such as follow me on Twitter, insurance form sign up, creating Gmail account, uh, online game, wow, sign up an online game, bookmark pages, uploading photos to the website, and so forth. All right, and and everything is for all the tasks that is asked that you can actually choose. Later on I'll show you, you're actually getting paid, and the time really requires for this is a very short time. So just imagine in an hour the amount of work you can do, and it can easily get you a few five to 10 US dollar or even more, depends on how hardworking you are. But the point is this, right? All this money that you're going to make is little money, but when you do it properly, you can actually see a lot of money here. Now, how do you actually be part of these Rapid Workers? Very simple, is to be click on here, be part of a Rapid Worker now. So from here, you actually get to register your name, your email address, click on give your password, okay, and also the country, okay. They are available in a lot of countries available here, okay. And of course, I've already registered as I've been using here. And very important, click on I'm not a robot, agree to the term, and remember, do not be too smart to try to out how to say to beat this system by using VPN, because if they know you're using VPN, high likely chances you're going to get banned. Okay, so click on the create my account and they will send you an email, and from there you just need to log in. Okay, and when you log in, all right, this is what you will see. Okay, when you log in, and these are all the jobs that is available right now. Wow, just look at this. So you can see that the job name is on the left here, and that's what you do, and who can actually get paid. It depends on where you are from right now, where you are from watching this video. You may be in US, you can be from any other place, right? And so if you are not from the US, then focus on the word, you know, international, and you get actually paid. Okay. So okay, so you actually, the tasks are very simple. You know, just visit a website, generate a code and get paid. Okay, 7 cents, and all it takes you is 1 minute. And the availability is 10 out of 20. They're only looking at 20 people, so you gotta be really, really fast. Okay. Oh wow, how about this? If you're from the USA, create an Instagram, and you can even they even allow you to create fake email. Okay. Now, so let's give an example of this. Okay, download an app. No, let's see which one is interesting here. Okay, so here, for example, subscribe to a YouTube channel. Okay, so when you click on that, okay, they actually give you the instructions that you actually need to do step by step. You can't go wrong, you can't screw up on this, right? So what is expected is open the link. So they give you the link, okay, you subscribe it, and the subscription must be public and not private to show your name. Click on the subscribe button, and after you have done that, all you have to do is do a screenshot here. It allows you to upload a screenshot, and recommended you to use a free service from here, and then hit this. I confirm that I followed the instruction and completed these tasks. And when they have checked through that you have done accordingly, you get paid. Now, how long does it take you to do that, right? So here, it's really easy to make money by clicking on buttons, and this is one way when you are free. You can just do this even when you are in your grab car, when you're having your lunch, or having a dinner, and all this will be able to help you generate some money. Now, I hope you like this, and this is not the way that I make full-time passive income. And if you are interested to understand how I make a full-time passive income, please check out on the first comment below, where I will share with you my number one recommended way of making money online. Thank you.